Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make sure you go to the platform. You don't know, like the content, it would be nice as well. See? Now, I'm gonna give Mutabaruka him flowers. Enough time in a year, even before this, before declare myself, show dissent to couple speech or couple opinions what Muta have. You know see it? Yeah, I know when you hear me say that before and you hear me big him up or probably. You know see, but it's Mutabaruka. Mutabaruka is I don't know of a teacher is simple, it's just too simple. You know see. But I know Mutabaruka is supposed to embarrass. And not necessarily to the point me attack for the crowd of I and I, not about himself. Or, you know me I say, yeah, not about himself. He attack for I and I, Rasta. Must embarrass. Guy, not gonna say it, because diplomatically, but me I call it a spade as it is now. Me I tell you now. You know see, yeah. All our DJ, them we are go around and I wanna shake them bumbo, our dreadlocks boy, them we are go around and I go on like say, them are authority or them know nothing. Them is a big embarrassment. Them is a diplomatic disaster, Rasta. You know see, and me know a man like Muta embarrassed. Cause I am. I mean I explain to you, Muta set the trend, Muta highlight, Muta teach I, Muta motivate I. See, I'm on a Rasta before I experienced Mutabaruka from the early 90s in a Rasta. I tell you see, I attribute my level of awareness to a youth named Vincent. I said that all the while, couple times. Vincent on Oliver Road, yeah, Vincent McLean. You see it, Vincent Chatham. See, call himself everything. Regent State. Yeah, see? And I come across Muta. And I man listen to Muta and still the way of Muta structure him approach is one of the biggest Rastafari awareness I man ever see. Like attention I man ever see. I man was part of the experience, I tell you as a youth. You know see, I listen to a program and I hear Muta say him there Africa. I don't know if a true or a lie or a skullduggery. You know what's a skullduggery? Like one of them propaganda move the Muta use pan them. I don't know. Although I don't know if I'm the type of person there, but it'll be a perfect skullduggery to do your work too. Because Muta say him there Africa. And some youth come to him and say, like, what's the Muta? You want us to come to Jamaica? Just like basically pay our plane fare, I could come to Jamaica, come kill Capleton and Bojo. Because there was the two top DJ at the time. That's Muta said, why? And the youth them say, I be a bumper and the girl them talk about browning and them thing there. And you attack them thing. I want to them boy there. That's Muta said, nah man, everything Christmas, you don't know. And Muta come back, come talk the drama, pan them program. You know see? And yeah. From this now, there's a level of awareness and appreciation of faith. Rastafari, because I say, what are we Africa? The man them observe the program so much. We're not cutting edge at the time now. We're talk Rastafari program is being observed. In Africa, that's even the man them can look back in Jamaica and say, yo, the man them are fuck themselves, Rasta. We go kill them Muta. You see? So I want to look at and I say, yeah. You know, and I man start draw, it start attract the attention, I man start, attend to the thing more and more. Now, Muta play some little tape for you and thing like that where we never know say exist. Some speech where I validate Rastafari, some speech where I validate the thinking process of Rastafari, but not in a bungle like one Rastafari. You see, but for instance, vegetarianism then, eating healthy and thing like that. Your medicine be your food and your food be your medicine. And them type of thing that we say other people observe and validate them thing about Rasta say long time. You know, see, the only thing people in a dispute with was His Majesty, really, in terms of Rastafari. The only thing most people in a dispute with, you might not have one person, one group or so where look on the whole body or the whole concept of Rastafari and in agreement with it. But you'll find bits and bits with different groups and bodies. And when we say, we don't need, even though we don't need Rastafari and don't need no validation from nobody, Rastafari validate people. I man, look on it like so well then, as a youth, because you're still in a come out of one culture and one flex, one frame of mind. You know, see, you still have to search for your own proof of evidence and thing like that. And I could have come up with no contradiction to Rastafari. None. You know, see, and Muta present are the only Muta, other than a sort of a library where you go check out certain things. Muta becomes now a man who present facts to I and I as you. See, I and I now forgot challenge them facts there and find out if a lie or a true. Well, we couldn't with none of them. All of them just was lie. All of them was foundation. Still is too. You know, see. And I saw Capet and Bojo, Sizzler, the whole, every youth where you see come now and a bungle up and a bubble up and now no manners and now no respect again and a go on like a them have the authority from God. Some little hurry come up, boy, whenever him did ban. When His Majesty a try to hurt Rasta. You know, see? And come bring the thing in a disarray. Come further fragment the thing. Deviate from the whole process and the whole structure, the whole educational process where Muta come with. Some boy just get freaky, frightened Friday in a lawless, consequenceless, inconsequential Jamaica and start do them one thing, just see it as a hustling and a gamble. You know, see, and just start do for them one thing, weaken the thing. Now there's a lot of things where Muta probably could have do better. There's a lot of fault where Muta could have. I have one with in particular where I want feel like so well then. Muta, in a whole heap of cases, Muta act like so well then. Everybody should have know where him know. You know, in a lot of cases. I just get that feeling that sometimes to him deal with some people. I don't know what the relationship between him and them are what. And in a lot of these cases, Mr. say, him and them have outside relationship outside of the program where I'm going. I there so as an audience member would know that neither. So them little thing that I'm not really to, you know, see, but again that not deviate, that not take away nothing from the education. You see, that not take away nothing from the self-confidence belief, the booster, the self-esteem boost what Mutabaruka give us as children. You know, see, nah tell no lie. So me know with the direction where them batty boy I take the thing today. And I can see. You know, see. Yeah. I mean, here, Sizzler call blood clot, Mutabatty boy, you know, and call Caboose Adamite, you know. And the least good thing of them him run gone to for defend him. When the cookie are crumbling in front of him, because before him go up a cabo when the Marlies them decide to take Bingy, you know, see it him said that in a phone call. When I him had the big batty blood clot boy, I tried this the elder them. Nothing like that, nothing in our existence, no matter how the elder them rang. throughout cultures, throughout politics, no matter how the oil hell of them get something wrong, we always observe it, say, them do the best them can so that we could have be where we are today. And so we always observe it. We never look down upon them and discredit them and beat them down and take with them. Like say, this thing without them, we could have, you know, some boy, some little dirty lame ass, ignorant, attention seeker, big ego. You know, see it? See, I do the things that when I do these days without even consultation with the roots. The root. Without even, them boy, you look like them, they even talk to Mutabaruka and certain elder. Look at dirty boy, I think we are idiot. I think we don't know, no? I think we don't know, so now engineered dreadlocks boy, we come in a Rasta, for come disrupt things. Uno alone, unless you're not intelligent, for sure no ignorant and naive you is. And now you don't find out, you don't realize you don't feel Rasta. You don't realize you're still in the limelight and a project on yourself like so well then. Hey, you're vulnerable, no bumbo clot that I want to tell you because the world is watching. And clarity is here. You know, see it? You're vulnerable. That me I tell you no. You're just a shell of any existence, Rasta. That me I tell you no. You can't tell me say the elder Rasta them. We sacrifice. Kill small sacrifices. Because so, them youth look like them consider the man them effort, you know, as something whenever even did necessary. I saw them boy and move Rasta. No disrespect. We not take by them time. We not eat that. We not beg no friend from no boy and not beg no likes, you know. You know, so we do our thing how we start out our thing. We never do this thing as a friend begging thing. We don't expect people to take offense. You know, see it? Give thanks for the item following and support. We love that. You know, see it? And it put me in a comfort zone for no say. A lot of people observe things from the perspective where I am and observe it as well. You know, see, because I'm enough time, it make you wonder if you're alone. It's a nice feeling for no like-minded people out there, like myself. You know, see, where, yeah, because again, I know we set the standard, Rasta, nature, structure, common sense. You know, see it. So nothing for some boy, I do. You can't, we idiot for there, I look at it like, so well, and this wasn't a plan, but we sit down and plan out for years, you know. And I just say it reach. We can't do that. Because Babylon observer Muta do, you know, long before Muta thing take root, you know. You think them not come up? Remember Bob Marley saying can't afford to stop singing Rasta, sing righteousness. Because the people them when I sing against not take no day off. From where them are do. You know see? So them did already have a counter for any farmer attempt like Mutabaruka one. It has been administrated all over the world, regular cases in America all the time. The Marcus Garvey, them, the Malcolm X them and all of them things there. Muta might not be on the same scale or on the same level like them. But the attempt at bringing awareness, self-love, self-respect up until the time when I meet Mutabaruka Rasta, I still think about that white guy upon the fucking cross. His Muta keep reminding me, say, I bet you right now, when you close your eye, it's a white Jesus here thing. I mean, I say about blood. All in my sight is majesty, you know. This white blood clot Jesus on the cross, still a fuck around I and I thing. You know, see it? It's because I don't have the awareness of the heights. Your psychosis not climatized yet. And it would have still been the same if you never have them reinforcement their weak time. Whereas Muta strategically keep reminding us about certain things. Make us proud that we name and all them things. Mutabaruka is a rude reach out. Mutabaruka used to read out African names. Mutabaruka, I name my son half of my first son. Not Mutabaruka himself, but half of the program I get a name, Rasta, and name my first child. And I whole heap of my brethren them. Whole heap of my brethren them name them child during that era there. You see it? Mutabaruka, I know about Miriam Makeba, Yuma Sekila, where that guy name man, I was the biggest one in them. Can't remember him. Sing like Peter Touch. Mutabaruka go tell him one time, say him sing like Peter Touch. Him say, no, Peter touch sing like me. It piss off Muta. You know see it? And you know see it? Yeah, I'm a student from Jump Street, from deviate Rasta, from deviate. You know, England, I come now and she say, we have access to more resource than even because Muta come weekly and I can see it daily, hourly. I can access the same thing them daily, hourly and develop and educate I myself to a degree. You know see, so I man never do it before, but Mutabaruka set the trend, set the standard. Like me I say, me nah say everything when I say right. It far beyond me, beneath me if you even try to say that. But I'm a grandfather, I'm a stepfather, I'm a father, Rasta. When them man they talk a lot for the most side, like me say, me nah have the authority in the earth if you say all is right and all is well. Me know say the intention is pure and the effort is well needed, Rasta. We need it needs support. You see it? And if you see how them youth come maga down the thing these days, Rasta. Take one the whole of the soldier them from up a Bingy house, from up a Bobo Hill, and I have them behind them a ride yang like a peanut them over to sell us. Well, there shall nothing wrong with that because I sell peanut dread anywhere there in the world, me youth. You know see, nothing wrong with selling some peanut car broom the man them say, but not even that the man them now the Rasta. You know see, anyway thinking Rastafari youth I know say, Mutabaruka I know say no watch a man. Sat there, we up a Bobo Hill. So all you come up there so and reinforce the thing. Stay up there, make with there. You know see, Wednesday we over Naya Bingi and all you over there so too. The concentration of the foot and the health. And people right around that see that and see the energy. You don't even have to advertise nothing. You just turn up. Take a day out of your dub plate hustling there and go hang out with Rasta and make youth and youth come there and gather some traction. The thing gather some dirty hustler and we know what we want to do. And the man them shame on you. If Muta no want admit it because he's a nobleman type of brother. I'm not sure if nobleman is the right word for apply because I know an Englishman them use that thing there and come up with that thing there regular. You know see it, but you never know. You know see it, but what a nobleman would want to be is what Muta is to the black community, Rasta. And we have to work with it. Him doing best and him keep doing him best. See, I just know we compare to Mutabaruka close. Mad. But again, you see it. It creates awareness in I when I rank, I man motivated in the class, the style, the pattern, the direction of Mutabaruka go. We try organize, centralize, unify black people, create a force. That is the whole intent of the game, the whole plan, regardless of where I'm an idea of getting there might deviate a bit. You know what? Where I find somebody a brand new youth with some little beanie China bomb can come up with the right idea. You know see it? And we have to work with it apart from where I man did having an eye for years. You know see it? We have to just say, yeah, this is the way you know. Yeah, I will move towards the progress because the aim is the same, Rasta. Regardless of how each individual has said. You know see it? But all them could dreadlocks, blood clot boy and nasty the thing so them feel like them a king and them a god already. All when them not have nothing and nobody around them. Them have a boss, so them a work for Rasta. And them is a disgrace to the foundation them. Them is a disgrace to the elder them. You know see it? Some boy I come go on like this thing I never start until them come. Breast milk still up on no bumbo clot mouth. You see it? Someone forget liquid cutlass. And if we did beat Munga and Arabic when him come with this, yes! I'm running back in on the blood clot bush and make him come sing righteousness. Probably wouldn't in them fuckery this day. But we sit back and make some fuckery happen to it as well. You know see it? Yeah. Yes, Rasta. You know see it? Anyway, mad love and respect every time. Mutabaruka, I'm a general. Matter where they are, no matter. You see, regardless of how things appear, we know without a doubt the intention is pure. And we love it, we appreciate love it. More life, more strength, more respect. And go and continue beat it with your strong voice same way. Because your voice now get old, my general. Share that one here, like that one here. We give thanks. Rastafari.